Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable battery percentage in iOS 16. So you go into settings. Once you are in settings main page, you need to go into battery. Once you are in battery, you will have a toggle for battery percentage, and bam, there it is. You can see battery percentage has been enabled. Now do note, with iOS 16 the feature has not rolled out to all iPhones. Like the 12 mini, the 13 mini, they do not get access to battery percentage. But with iOS 16.1, you will find this option in your battery settings to enable the battery percentage. And before you tell me, hey Munchie, this battery percentage on my iPhone, even though it says 72, why is the battery bar still full? Again, so that is because common sense might not be common at Apple, but they have since fixed this also with iOS 16.2. And that was a small video showing you how to enable battery percentage on your iPhones running iOS 16, iOS 16.1. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares, and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.